Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies here today, and today we are discussing air supply compressors for our vapor honing machines. All of our vapor honing machines, from our Weekend Warrior to the VH4000, actually all require the same amount of airflow. These machines come standard looking for about 20 to 30 CFM, and that usually adds up to about a 7.5 horsepower compressor, and you're gonna wanna run at least an 80-gallon tank. All of these machines will have hookups on them for your air to hook in. The machine we're in front of right now, which is the VH800FL, you've got your air hookup right here on the front. This is a 1/2-inch MPT. On the smaller machines that have the small regulator, like our 800 base, you'll have a small regulator on the front, and that is a 1/4-inch MPT hookup on it. If you have the precision regulator like on the 800FL, you're actually going to use your 1/2-inch MPT to hook it up. As far as what compressor works best for you, it really depends on your budget and what you're looking to do. I will tell you, you get what you pay for. There's some very inexpensive compressors out there, and there's some very expensive compressors out there. You can go from a standard piston to a screw compressor, just depending on what you're looking to do and what your air supply requirements are for your shop. But as far as a vapor honing machine, as long as you're running 7.5 horsepower, you're gonna get the CFM that you want. Now, we do have the ability with these machines to change over the air CFM jet inside the blast gun to where you can use a smaller compressor. All of this stuff is covered in the operator's manual that you will get a copy of when you receive your machine. And if you have any questions about compressors or CFM jets or anything related to a vapor honing machine, give us a call here directly. Phone number is 828-220-5563. You can also go to the website, vaporhoningtechnologies.com. And again, that phone number, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.